can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Over the last 1 week, Solana has rallied up by 10%. Over the last 1 year, Solana is up 19%, currently trading above $160. How high can Solana go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. Double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. Even Solana is joining the party. Will Solana finally pump to new all-time highs? We'll look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We'll also look at Solana's valuation against Bitcoin, the king of the market, Solana's valuation against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Solana's market cap, which sits around $87 billion. Can we cross the $100 billion level yet again? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Solana currently trades above $162 between forward trading volume of around $6.7 billion. Solana's fully directed market cap sits at around $98 billion. The all-time high for Solana came in 6 months ago on the 19th of January 2025. We saw it trading for as high as $294. Right now it's down 44% from that all-time highs. Good times are returning back to the altcoin market. We're seeing huge pumps in the altcoin market. I believe we're very close to altcoin season. Solana has been one of the biggest gainers in this cycle, but the other half of the cycle has not seen Solana soar like we saw in early 2023 and late 2024. We saw Solana from December of 2022 rally from as high as $8, getting to as high as $204 by the 18th of March 2024. A 2,400% increase in just around 445 days. That was impressive. But where tables has turned is that Solana has spent the next 500 plus days just ranging. Since March of 2024, Solana has ranged for more than 483 days, and right now Solana has not been able to break out of that 80% range, even though we saw Solana getting to as high as $219, $93 on the 19th of January 2025. Guys, I'll not be shocked if Solana is getting ready for the final blow off top. Just like the rest of cryptocurrency market, we're seeing huge exit pump. We're seeing all coins giving us thousands of percentages pump in 1 week. We're seeing double-digit gains across the board. I'll not be shocked for Solana to join the party. But remember, guys, good time doesn't last forever. I've been bearish on the market for quite a while right now. I've been bearish on a lot of these altcoins. Best case scenario for Solana, if Solana is going to join Bitcoin, going to join the rest of the market to do a crazy madness from where we're currently trading, guys, Solana could easily, in a best case scenario, rally up to as high as $300 in that kind of market condition. I expect the RSI will be showing a bearish divergence. I expect market participants to go all in, believing this time is different. Just like Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs, that's when we hear the most, will get the most attention from normies, the most attention from traditional media. That's what I expect to see in Solana. When Solana's ETFs start getting approved, and start seeing huge things happening on Solana, maybe the price will be around $310, $20, just some few percentages of the previous all-time high, just enough to get people comfortable believing that this time is different. At the same time, we have had a lot of people shorting Solana over the last 400 plus days. For them to get liquidated, we have seen Solana rally up to higher prices, and that $300 level looks very fishy. I will not be shocked if that's the key level where the biggest battle is going to be fought. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technologies, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance. If you want to buy or sell some Solana, guys, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on BitGet, on Upbit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana for yourself. And if you look at Solana's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, it had a good time against Bitcoin early parts of the cycle. So Solana pumping, that's when a lot of people ran to the Solana network because Solana meme coins started pumping. Also, we have seen Solana rally since January of 2023, where the bottom against Bitcoin, Solana had rallied aggressively, but by December of 2023, guys, after Solana rallied for 378 days, 453% from the bottom. It has stalled. It can even be argued that it has taken back some of the gains it has made, because from where it was trading in December of 2023, Solana is down 50% against Bitcoin. We saw it going sideways. It went sideways for 392 days. But finally, it broke down, and I will not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks we see Solana first was giving us a little pump to get market participants back into the market, a little pump, like rally up, market participants run back in, thinking this time is different, the bull market is back, altcoin season, yada yada yada. Before Solana starts the eventual decline to gobbling town that will see it crash aggressively. Remember, guys, altcoins losing value against Bitcoin is normal in the cryptocurrency market. Altcoins dumping aggressively in the bear market, it's a normal occurrence. You have to prepare for it. If you don't plan, you plan to fail. Your number one job in the cryptocurrency market is to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, and when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. And if you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now, there's extreme fear in the market. Now, extreme fear is when you want to be selling. You want to be buying when there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, because in extreme greed is when market participants are scared. They don't want to buy. They believe it's going to zero. But in extreme greed, they believe it's going up forever and it's not going to ever come down. That's when they want to go all in, and that's when you want to sell. You want to do the opposite of what majority of the crowd is doing. Majority of the crowd buys when there's extreme greed, and they sell when there's extreme fear. You want to buy when there's extreme fear, and you want to sell when there's extreme greed. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, altcoin markets will be bubbling. Don't get carried away. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Similar story for Solana's performance against Ethereum. Just like Solana's performance against Bitcoin, it rallied from the bottom of the bear market in December of 2022. When we got to December of 2023, it started stalling. But unlike Solana's performance against Bitcoin that was trending downwards, we saw Solana's performance against Ethereum trending upwards. Solana continued outperforming Ethereum, getting to all-time highs in April of 2025. But since April of 2025, when the bearish divergence was showing on Solana's performance against Ethereum, you saw Solana's valuation against Ethereum getting to a new cycle high, 0.089 ratio level. But we didn't see the RSI getting to new highs. That was a very worrying sign, and historically that's led to declines, and that's exactly what Solana did against Ethereum, losing 41% of its value over the last 84 days. I will not be shocked if the decline continues. Ethereum has strong momentum behind it right now. Ethereum is pumping aggressively. I will not be shocked to see Solana continue for that decline against Ethereum. Historically, when the markets even turn bearish, that's when Solana dumps aggressively against Ethereum. If you look at what happened in the previous bear market, Solana was outperforming Ethereum when the market was bullish. Immediately, Ethereum started outperforming Solana. That was a telltale sign that the rally was over. That was a telltale sign that a big bear market was ahead of us. Now, Solana's market cap sitting at the $87 billion level. There's talks whether we can get to that $100 billion region. Just again, we've gotten to $100 billion in this cycle. We saw Solana's market cap even get to as high as $141 billion. In the coming days and the coming weeks, watch out for Solana's market cap. We see Solana's market cap rally up by 66%. That will send us into a new all-time highs. But what will that mean for the price of Solana if it's to rally up by 66%? A 66% rally in the price of Solana, guys, we see Solana trading at $273. Not enough for us to get to new all-time highs. You may be wondering why is that, guys. It's because more Solana tokens are coming into circulation day in, day out. Over the last few years, Solana has been pumping. But on the supply side, more tokens have been coming into circulation. If you look at Solana's fully diluted market cap, it sits around $98 billion. But right now, the market cap is around $87 billion. So there's a phantom $9+ billion worth of Solana that's not in circulation. Total supply is 605 million tokens. We only have 536 million Solana tokens in circulation. So when other tokens come into circulation, you see the market cap increasing, but without a substantial increase in price. So be careful out there, guys. In the coming days and the coming weeks, it's going to get very bloody. It's going to get very frothy at the same time. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How high do you think Solana will go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.